Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Moise, and today we're gonna learn how to create amazing design for your clothing brand. Even if you are not a designer, I'm gonna show you guys how you can create some amazing design for your clothing brand. Take your design to the next level. Go check out my clothing brand. It's called Faith Love Africa. Go support us. We have a mission to support pastors in Central African Republic and also create job opportunity for the young generation. So go support us. But let's get into the video. The name of the platform we're gonna use is called Keto, and I'm pretty sure there's a lot of video out there about ketos. It is really good. They have a paid version and they have a free version. I've been using the free version. I'm gonna show you guys the difference between having the free and then having the paid version. And so here it's how the platform looks. They have different design. You can create logos, you can create different things. But today we're gonna focus on streetwear because that's like the trend right now. And so we're gonna click on streetwear. They have a lot of template that you can pick. You don't have to create anything from scratch. You can just pick up a template and just change it to fit what you're trying to do. And so I have a design in mind to create something about God rule the world because my clothing brand is a Christian clothing brand. So I want something that represent that. I want something that have a globe inside. And when you see things like that, those are premium design. If you use the free version, you cannot use those templates. We are looking for design that does not have that on it. And so let's scroll down, trying to find pretty good design. They don't have a lot of design for the streetwear. So this one, it looks pretty good. It looks like something that I can use. And to use that, you can just click on use this design, or that will open a new tab for you. And now we can create our design now. And so you don't have to use the same thing. You can change it to what you want. And so we're gonna change this to God rules. Is it rules or rule? I'm gonna say rules. God rule. Wait. God rule the world. Oh, God rules the world. Okay. So God rules the word. So we have God rules and then we have the word here. And right now, I like this. Peace, love, and unity. I like that. And then here we can do something like God loves you. Just something to show you guys. But get it? If you want to resize it, you can come here to font, just resize it to whatever size you want right there. Delete that. I want me right there. This is like one of the trending thing right now, that people will put a text that is really small that you can read it, but it's just really good. And so I'm not gonna change that. I'm just gonna leave it just for the purpose of this video. I don't want it to be too long. And so we're gonna leave that. And I always like to remove the background. And so to remove the background, to make it like plain, we go to layers, you scroll, or they have texture under it. You can remove the texture. Now we don't have any texture under it. And then we can remove the background and then remove that. We don't want that. So let's just leave the background that way. No, I'll remove it. And so they have a new things on Keto that you can use your design on mockups. And so we click on mockups, and this is where the the cool part comes. If you have the premium version, then you can use all that. You have a lot of different things that you can use. But I always just use the free version. And so we're gonna make this bigger. So right now we are creating a mockup of our design already. So simple. Um, I always like to put this at the back. So let's say this will be the back of the shirt. This is the back of the shirt because we want it bigger. So that's good. All you can do is download it. And so I download my design and I'll go back. I want to create something for the front. And so for the front, all I have to do, I have to go to my files. Yes, leave. And I'm going to duplicate this design. Click on it and then you come here to duplicate. You double and then we go with that. At the front one, I don't want a lot of things like going up. And so we're gonna keep it really, really simple. I'm gonna take this off, take this off, take this off, take this off, take everything off, take all that off. And then all we have is just God rule the word. And yeah, let's go to mockup. We're gonna put this at the front. Where's my design? Yeah. So we just want it small right there. Cute, beautiful. And then that's all. We have a design right there, people. And if you don't have Photoshop, you don't need to have Photoshop because now we're gonna go to photo here. And then you click on the first one. I'm giving you guys all the gem right now. I will leave all the link below for you guys to go check it out. If you are still here, that means that you are loving the video. So please don't forget to subscribe and like. So let's continue. So right now we're gonna make the markup. We're going to resize this image. As you can see, this is now a transparent background, and I will show you guys how to make this a transparent background. But we're gonna resize this so that we can drop the next image. So the next image is this. We're gonna resize this one to this, and voila, we have our design. But this looks really bad. So I'm gonna show you guys how you can resize it. So there's one that's called background remover. I use this a lot and it does not ruin the quality of your image. The quality will still there. And so we're gonna drag and drop both design, and then that just take out, and now we have a transparent background now. So we can just download this, and then we download this one, and then we come here, we can take this off, then we can just drag this there. This can go right there. I don't want that. Drag this and put this right there. Boom. Now we have our design right there ready. If you want to resize this, you just go to edit, you go to free transform, and then you can use that to resize your design. That looks really good. So I want to add a background, like a white background. So right there, then we have a white background there with our design on it. And all you have to do is just click on, you can if you know how to use Photoshop, you can save this as PSG, but we don't know how to use Photoshop. So all we have to do is go to export as PNG. You can export it as PDF and all that, but let's go with PNG and we save it. and then that's all. You have your design, you have everything ready for you to post in, and wait for this to load. Boom, you did it. That's all, and you have your design. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get to 1,000. This is how you can create some cool design for your clothing brand. If you have any question, please leave that below and I will answer all your questions. So stay blessed, stay tuned, and let's go.